Hey people with hot springs, hot tubs. Y'all having issues with leaks? One of the good places to check first, obviously your hose. Make sure you got a good O-ring in there. A lot of times, even from how snug this is, the pipe can break in the back here. And well, I've never seen this before. That's a new one for me. But usually the glue joint might be bad at this little intersection, and you can see it if you just use one of these guys or something similar to get in there. Other common places here, up inside here, it's really hard to glue all those things together, so sometimes they don't get put together very well. The light, which you can get to from the inside when you drain the spa. And then if you take out the 3 screws on this seat and you look into the bottom of the pan where all the water collects when you drain the tub, there's either 1 or 2 little holes down there. They're unnecessary. The light you might not want to cover up, so you can put some clear silicone on that. But the other hole is just for draining that little cabin so that it doesn't get stale water in it. But typically you shouldn't have your spa empty that long to where it's going to get gross water in there. And if you're going to, you might as well clean it all out anyways. And then lastly, I've had issues with this. When water gets splashed on it, it goes through the tube and travels all the way back to the front of the spa where it connects to the pack, and you'll be able to find the tube in there. Oh, typically looks like this. That's the wires that connects it. Main things on all hot tubs, check here first, and obviously your other connections for your plumbing up front. This one is very important. If that starts leaking, it'll ruin your pump. So that's the main stuff to look out for on your hot springs hot tub. Tiger River, Caldera, all those good ones. They are the typical, and they are all built pretty much the same. Thank you very much.